Hello and welcome to my presentation for Intro to Communication Assessment 3. My name is Sarah Weir and today we'll be reviewing nonverbal communication. In this first slide we'll see a woman who appears angry. Her body language with her arms crossed appears distant and closed off, angry at whoever she's talking to. Her mouth is in a straight line, appearing displeased or disgusted with the conversation that's taking place. Her eyes, with a sideways glance, look angry and withdrawn, also showing that she's looking at the person with her body tilted, closed off, and angry. You'll notice that the woman to the left of her also looks displeased, with her mouth also in a straight line and a disapproving look in her eyes. The woman to the right appears angry with her mouth open, kind of pulled down, an angry expression, and her eyes widen in disapproval. In this second picture, we'll notice a man who's happy. His mouth appears smiling, making him look very happy. His body language, with his hand on his hip, makes him appear very confident and at ease. You also notice with his other hand he's leaning against a large object. This makes the man appear very casual and relaxed, very open. He is faced towards the camera. This suggests that he has some type of closeness, maybe a friendship or a coworker that is taking the picture. In this third picture, we see a man that's hard at work. His eyes concentrating on his project. His mouth pulled up into a smile or grin. This suggests that he's very happy or satisfied with his work. He's gesturing, holding a hammer up, showing that he's actively working on his project. Also very interesting, you'll notice that he's not looking at his hammer as he's swinging it. This also suggests that he's very confident in what he's doing. In this third picture, we see a man who appears very excited. His body language, you'll notice that both of his arms are raised up. One of them is on his hat, the other one is grabbing his head. This makes him appear very relieved and excited. His mouth open and smiling very largely makes the man appear very happy. His eyes, looking off in the distance, slightly squinted, suggests that whatever is over there is what is causing his excitedness and or approval. The men motioning in the background also look as if something is very good has happened, suggesting that this picture represents excitement and or relief. Thank you for watching my presentation on nonverbal communication. Again, my name is Sarah Weir and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.